Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mrs. Ness-Ana, and then today we will be having a new topic. Are you ready? Our topic this week is what? 3-letter words. What did I say? Our topic for today is what? 3-letter words. Now, before we go to the class, I would want you to click on that subscription button just down below your screen. Have you done that? Okay, let's go to the class. I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, everyone, welcome back to the class. Are you ready? Okay, who can remind us our topic? Very good. We said our topic is what? 3-letter words. Again, 3-letter words. And we said 3-letter words are those words formed by correctly using or adding 3 letters together. 3-letter words are those words formed by correctly using or adding 3 letters together. That's beautiful. Okay, let's go to examples of 3-letter words. Or better still, let us form 3-letter words by adding 3 letters together. Number 1. The first letter is letter S. And letter S sounds S. Can you do that again? S. The next one, ah. Again, ah. The third one, t. Again, t. And then we have s, ah, t. Again, s, ah, t. And the 3-letter words we can form from these 3 letters is what? Sat. Very good. Again, sat. S, ah, t. Sat. The next number 2. The first letter we have is letter F. And letter F sounds f. Again, f. The next one, ah. Again, ah. The next one, t. Again, t. And then we have f, ah, t. Again, f, ah, t. And the 3-letter word here is what? Fat. Beautiful. Okay, the next one is R. Letter R sounds R. The next one, ah. Again, ah. The third one, t. Again, t. And then we have R, ah, t. Again, R, ah, t. And the 3-letter word, rat. Very good. Rat. The next one, the letter here is letter W. And letter W sounds W. Again, W. The next one, A. Again, A. The third one, T. Again, T. And then we have W. A. T. Again, W. A. T. Very good. And then the 3-letter word there is what? Wet. W. Et. Wet. Very good. The next one is letter T. Letter T sounds T. Again, T. The next one, A. The third one, Letter N sounds. And then we have ts, n. Again, ts, n. Very good. And the three-letter word there is what? 10. The number 10. Very good. The next number, the first letter is letter B, and letter B sounds B. Again, B. The next one, O. Again, O. The third one, G. Letter G sounds G. And then we have B, O, G. Again, B, O, G. And then we have bug. Very good. The three-letter words we formed from B, O, G is what? Bug. Very good. The next one, letter H. And letter H sound. Letter H sounds. The next one, O. Can you sound letter G for me? Very good. G. And then we have O, G. Again, O, G. Very good. And the three-letter words we can form is what? Hug. Can you give me a hug? That's beautiful. Thumbs up. Okay, let's go to the next one. Letter P. Letter P sounds P. Again, P. You puff out the candle. P. The next one, E. Again, E. Letter N sounds and that is the third one. And then we have P, in. Again, P, in. And then we have pin. Can you do that again? Pin. You don't want to touch that. Remember, pin is a sharp object and it can hurt you when you touch it carelessly. Please don't do that. Okay, let's go to the next number. The first letter is letter S, and letter S sounds S. Don't forget that. Again, S. The next one, E. Again, E. The third one, P. Again, P. And then we have S, E, P. Again, S, E, P. And the three-letter word is what? Sip. Can you say that again? Sip. Very good. And then the last one we have here is what? Letter L. Letter L sounds again. The next one, E. Again, E. The third one, P. Again, P. And then we have E. P. Very good. Can you say that again? E. P. And the three-letter words we can form from there is what? Lip. Very good. Can you show me your lip? Can you touch it instead? Can you touch your lip for me? I'm touching mine. That's beautiful. That will be the end of our class today. Now I'll be giving you your home practice, your assignment. Don't forget to do it. Remember, when you do your assignments or your homework, you get the opportunity of appearing on Ness-Ana TV. I'm sure you want to see yourself, right? Okay, now I want you to form 3-letter words for me. I'll be calling out the letters. Are you with your pen and pencil? Don't forget that. I'll be calling out the letters for you. I want you to correctly use them to form 3-letter words. Don't forget to sound them while writing. And kindly submit your assignment so you see yourself on Ness-Ana TV. Very good. Okay, are you ready? The first letter is letter N. The next one, P. And letter P sounds P. The next one, G. I guess you know what letter that is, right? G. That is letter G. The next one, O. Again, O. That is letter O. The next one, A. Again, A. The next one, T. The next one, Ah. The next one, Okay, let me call it again for the last time. I'm sure you're taking note of that. N. Letter P. Letter G. Letter O. Letter E. Letter T. Letter A. And the last one is letter M. Beautiful. I'm sure you enjoy the class. Oh, welcome back. I'm sure you enjoyed the class because I did. I got to know that sat is a 3-letter word. Very good. Now about the assignment, don't forget to be the first to submit your word assignment because when you do that, you will appear on Ness-Ana TV wishing all your friends that are celebrating their birthday a happy birthday, including you if you are celebrating your birthday for the month. Okay, bye and see you next time. I love you. Don't forget, I love you.